Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kidding. Anyways, we're in beautiful Rio de Janeiro.
Welcome back to my channel. So as you may have seen on my Instagram, I'm in Rio and I'm so excited to be here. So it's been cloudy like the first couple of days, but today the sun finally came out, so we're just enjoying the beach.
So we're just here, obviously taking a million photos and enjoying the sun. And we got to coconut and look at that beautiful view, everybody. And then, what are we gonna do later on today, Lisa?
We're gonna go to Escaleras de Celarón. Did I say that right?
Escalería Celarón, sure.
They're like these iconic stairs, and they're super colorful, super vibrant, like everything that Rio's about. So I'm so excited. The energy is amazing. There's music everywhere. The sun is shining, and you can even get a caipirinha on the way up.
1, 2, 3, and 4, and hey, baby. Models is getting big. I know this it be growing. I've been telling the fibs. Now you saying trust, get away.
So right now we're climbing up to go get a van to go all the way up to Christ the Redeemer. We took an Uber from the hotel, and like private cars aren't allowed here. So from here we're just gonna take the van all the way up to Christ the Redeemer. And honestly, driving up this mountain, I already saw amazing views. So I can't imagine what it's gonna be like from the top.
In my book of lies, it was the editor and the author. Forget my signature, but now apologize for what I did to you. Cause what you did.
So we're here at Christ the Redeemer. It's so beautiful and the view is amazing. It's a little bit crowded, so definitely come early. And we see a lot of people doing it for the gram out here.
Now what you gonna do when it all comes down? When I really see you, but you're all I'm about. No, 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 did you know? No, 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 don't lie. Because you know, you gotta try. Yo, she said I'm leaving, cause she can't take the pain. It's hard to continue this love, it ain't the same. I can't forget things that I've done inside her brain. Well, too many lies committed, too many games. She feeling like a fool, getting on the last train. Trying to maintain, but the feeling won't change. Well, I saw it for the things that what I became. Just caught up in living my life in the fast lane. Blinded by lights.
So right now we're walking in the jungle in
Morro de Urca Mountain.
This walk is so nice. Like I love it up here, and there were wild monkeys, and they were so cute.
No, 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 you know, no, 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 don't lie. No, 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 you know, no, 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 you gotta try. Now what you gonna do when it all comes down?
What's my favorite food in Brazil?
Vacation.
That's like all I've been eating. They're amazing.
Because you know, you gotta try. You know you gotta try. You know you gotta try, girl, yeah. You know you gotta try. You know you gotta try.
So today we went to the beach all day long. It was literally the best day ever. And now we're gonna do a little spa because my babe is treating me. That was my Rio vlog, short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Diamonds and pearls. She's the one that make me feel on top of the world. Still I lie to my girl, I do, yeah. I do, yeah.